Hi Freaky for Freaks, Shalini here. Today we are going to draw JHOPE of BTS.
I'm your hope, you're my hope, I'm JHOPE.
This is the most recent appearance of our hobby, which was for Men's Fall Winter 2025 show. LV took their chance and managed to get the best exponent of fashion in their hands. The perfect ambassador of LV house.
It's perfect! My life is complete.
J-Hope's visual are sculpted by God himself, and you cannot prove me wrong. J-Hope's fashion is shouting expensive. The aura he holds is effortless. He is not just a model or an ambassador. He is a true fashion icon with a whole fashion personality that speaks volume about him. I have loved watching J-Hope's style evolution over the years. Putting classic pieces with street fashion, he has been serving us looks. He shined throughout this whole week. During the ending of the runway show, a little surprise was given to us by playing the song LV Bag, which was a tease for us. I wanted to add one more thing. J-Hope is any which way stylish, even in sweatpants. And lastly, you are not freak but unique.